Welcome to our Lattice How-To Guide. In this video demonstration, you'll be walked through the steps of creating an unstructured data product. Starting on Lattice Pinboard, click on the Create Unstructured Data Product button. On Create an Unstructured Data Product page, Step 1 in building a data product from unstructured data using Latttice Co-Pilot wants you to define your unstructured data product by giving it a name, a description, outlining the purpose and contents of the data product. Then select your unstructured data source and click on Continue. Step 2. Latttice Co-Pilot enables you to use natural language to define your analysis. Enter your analysis request into the input bar. There are examples of requests you can use as a guide, then click on Analyze. The data will be displayed in the results pane below. If you're satisfied with the results, select Continue. Step 3 in the process is where you can transform your data product using natural language. Or you can add security to the data by adding access controls like ABAC or fine-grained access controls. Once you decide on the measures you want applied, you can preview the content. The final step in creating an unstructured data product is to preview and publish. You can review the configuration of your data product and preview the process data. You can add tags. Once satisfied, you can select Publish and the unstructured data product will be published to the Pinboard, your data marketplace, for access, use, and to share.